Google Publisher Toolbar discontinued from May 2020. Google has decided to discontinue support for Google Publisher Toolbar in May 2020. They want to simplify their tools and product offerings for AdSense users. Publishers instead can see data displayed that would be in the Google Publisher Toolbar through the AdSense interface. Google recommends using the AdSense homepage reports for earnings info, Ad Review Center for blocking of ads, and homepage card for Google Analytics data. Are you still looking for a toolbar or extension to help with troubleshooting your ads? MonetizeMore has developed a free Chrome extension called PubGuru Ad Inspector to serve all your ad optimization needs. PGAI boasts a range of impressive features that publishers can use on any site. You can analyze a website's ad setup, diagnose issues such as page load, timeout, bidders, GDPR, compliance, header bidding, log data, and much more. Download our free PubGuru Ad Inspector Chrome extension now. The link is in the description below. That concludes our video for today. Want to learn how to become an AdSense expert? Introducing PubGuru University School of AdSense. With 36 on-demand videos and over 3.5 hours of content, we will help you become a Google AdSense expert. Enroll today.